Welcome to the inaugural edition of Tech Talks, a series of bi-monthly conversations around emerging technology. Think of it more as a tech-focused business event where we'll be discussing the future of a select industry in each edition, innovation that is shaping up, and wherein lies opportunities for people to collaborate. With Tech Talks, our objective is to bring together a diverse range of stakeholders such as corporate, startups, investors, technology giants, etc., to discuss the impact of technology on the future of that particular sector or industry. The format, more or less, across different editions of Tech Talks is going to be pretty much the same. We are going to have expert keynotes. We'll be having fireside chats, which will discuss more about case studies or what next, panel discussions, and more importantly, product showcases to wind off with the event. What we are here for today, Tech Talks Media Tech, it was actually a no-brainer as to why MediaTek first. Thanks to our friends from Airmeet, without such interactive media platform, it would have been tough for us all to tide over the times that we are in, professionally as well as from a broader entertainment consumption standpoint. So that was a first reason as to why we wanted to kick off this series of talks with MediaTek as a domain. The media and entertainment industry has pretty much been a sunrise sector for the economy and has been making significant strides over the last several years. India's digital surge is very well underway on the consumer side, and it's one of the fastest and the largest growing markets for digital consumers, with more than 550 million internet subscribers and second largest in the world and growing. The need for emerging technologies or emergence of technologies within media and entertainment has been far more than ever before, as the world has been stuck with this unprecedented pandemic. And like I said earlier, whether we are talking of entertainment, whether we are talking of professional communication, whether we are talking of education, healthcare services delivery, I mean, in every aspect of our daily life, almost different forms of media are interacting with us as individuals. Whether you look at emotion, automation, creativity, visualization, there is a myriad of explosion which is happening within MediaTek as a space. Today, over the next few hours at Tech Talks MediaTek, we are going to deliberate over the upcoming trends, technologies, and challenges which are overall impacting the media and entertainment sector and the opportunities that lie ahead for all of us. We have some really cool and interesting speakers lined up and topics as well, which are going to not only touch upon what's happening presently, but what is the future of media and entertainment as a domain, and what role is technology playing, and how is it going to reshape the future of the media and entertainment industry. So we are going to go right across deep tech. There is content creators. We're going to talk of video streaming, data analytics in media, Indic languages, and more. And like I said earlier, we're going to have 5 really interesting startups which are going to be pitching at the end of the day. A couple of them which are international startups, one from Vietnam and one from Canada. So without any further ado, I'd like to hand over the screen, in this case, to Anil Nair, Managing Director of VML Y&R, who are also our partners to this event. Over to you, Gaurav, to get Anil on stage. Thank you and have a really nice day this Friday.